Me here, Jay at VEDX. We're back to give you a little bit of walkthrough on creating your Ready Player Me account. Ready Player Me is a great spot to start your journey with an avatar. Make your own avatar. It's integrated into hundreds of apps out there and really getting us closer to a single avatar that travels across your different apps and within apps, which is pretty exciting. Of course, you have your Meta avatar that travels through only Meta apps, but Ready Player Me is a wonderful company. It's free to get your avatar going. You can see I've opened up the screen here. I'm on the Ready Player Me homepage, and I started my my user account. It was free. You can see that I've got, this is an avatar I created. You can change the avatar in terms of the name even after you create it, and you can customize look and have different pictures. So I'm just hitting my mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out for the full body. There's the half avatar, there's the full body. And then as I can download, so if I wanted to download this avatar, I can click there and I can download avatar as a GLB file. Now, a GLB file is great if you want to bring that avatar as a static image into one of your 3D environments. It does remain static. They're not animated unless you rig that, which is for another video. Now, this is great. As you see, I have a blue-haired woman. Inanna is actually her name, not JVEDX. But what I wanted to show you is how you change. So you can have multiple avatars that you're using for your main spot. So I'm going to go down to My Avatars. And you can see the ones that my main avatar has been integrated in. 3-spin learning, now animation, in-world, XR, Eon XR. And once you have a Ready Player Me account and you want to integrate that avatar, you go ahead and just click on the Ready Player Me integration, and it will ask you which avatar you would like to use for that integration. It usually takes the one that you have as the main one, but sometimes gives you the options. So for today's reason of today, what I want to do is go down to all the Ready Player Me avatars I've created here. I've got 2 grown-up ones for my 2 daughters. I've got Proximus Wolf, and I've got Inanna Venus, 2 of VEDX's main characters in their games. But I'm going to go ahead and show you here. I'm going to go ahead and let's see. Actually, I want this one, my star favorite. And I'm going to go into here. And when I go, I can download this GLB. I can copy it and send that GLB URL for somebody else to download. I can set as main identity, so I'm going to do that first. Now that's going to be on my main card that you saw. But then I'm going to go to capture. I'm going to click capture. And now I can share my avatar picture. I can do no background, or I can do a close-up. But these are the 3 options. So I can have a background, I can do a full body, or I can do a close-up. For purposes of this video, I'm going to show you, I want a picture of my full body avatar there. So I can copy that image URL and send it to somebody, or I can download the image. Either one works just fine, because when I send it to somebody, they'll be able to download the image as a PNG. But what we want to do is just make sure we capture the full body. And you can even adjust the poses in your avatars. I chose this pose here, but you can have different poses back in the editing scene. So there it is. I'm going to copy image URL, and I'm going to send that off to somebody so that my avatar can be displayed on their website. Now, let's see, show you some other stuff. I go into here, you saw that little wizard button. I can make my avatar smiling, which I like. So we're gonna keep with the smiling, and I can adjust my pose. Kind of like that pose. That's cool, so I'm gonna keep that. And then I can put my frame there if I want the close-up pose, or I want the full body. But I want the full body, so I'm going to click there. And I'm going to click Save. So in order to get that, I had to go here to this little wand and I was able to adjust my avatar. So there we go. Copy, and I'm going to send it off. I hope you enjoyed our little Ready Player Me sign up. Again, it's a free account. It's great to go and use across a lot of different apps in VR and in virtual PC simulations, and it's being used more and more every day. I highly recommend Ready Player Me. Okay, bye everybody.